Hi, this is Mike from Nowhere, guys, and today we got something special. The 2023 XR150 L from Honda. Why the XR150 L? Well, for one reason, it's one of Honda motorcycles longest running machines. It's been built for over 20 years. Very popular in Asia and in South America. Latin America is they purchase these like hotcakes. Very popular over there. So why bring this up here? Well, first of all, it's a full-fledged motorcycle. 149cc, I think, about 10 horsepower. No, you're not going to win any races with this thing, but it's an all-rounder that is dead reliable. Like, I'm talking about extreme reliability with a fuel consumption that is insane. 1.86 liter per 100 kilometers. So that's like 125 miles per gallon, if I'm not mistaken. Insane fuel economy. So one thing, fuel economy. And if you are a hunter or an outdoorsman that goes in the trails and don't really need, don't have the use for an ATV or UTV, this is perfect for you, because this will handle fire roads and stuff like that. It's been designed for that, and it does, as you see, pretty well on pavement. So it's very well mannered in both conditions. Now we're gonna jump into some gravel very soon, and what I like about it is that it just stays planted. It's a sweet little motorcycle that I really like. It's comfortable too. The seat is nice and plush. You can have a passenger in the back, but I suggest only on short distances, because yeah, it's gonna be a little cramped, but the seat is comfortable for the passenger. Again, this is like a really cheap motorcycle built with Honda reliability. The engine, the only thing you need to do is change the oil once in a blue moon, check the air filter, and change the spark plugs once it doesn't want to start. That's about it. It's got a carburetor. You can fix this bike with a pair of vice grips, a flathead screwdriver, and a hammer. That's pretty much it. That's what I really like, that I enjoy about this motorcycle. See, now on gravel, same thing. It just goes. Nice, smooth, and there's lots of little potholes and stuff like that here, and it's just stable as hell. You know, no nonsense motorcycling. This falls into that category, and there are very few bikes that in my view slipped, in my view, can actually fit the bill of no nonsense motorcycling. Just gas it up and go. Very easy to use. There's nothing electronic on this bike, so everything is analog, including, oop, I need some more power. Nothing electronic on this bike. There's no ABS. Even the rear brake is a drum type. So you catch my drift about what I'm saying about simple, easy motorcycling. That's it. This thing is easy to fix, easy to ride. It's cheap, and it does the job fairly well. This machine gets overlooked fairly easily, but you should take a second look, especially, you know, if you're into camping and all this stuff. This would make, it's a little big, but it still make a nice pit bike that is comfortable, and you can actually retrieve a driver or rider with it. It's you know, it's cheaper than buying a scooter, and you have a full-fledged motorcycle. So if you got your license, this thing is perfect, and it, you know, it looks the part. It's not a real looker, but it's basic, bare bones motorcycling at its best. That's what I really enjoy about it. Can't say any more about that. The only thing I want to do is ride it some more and laugh a bit at Jason, because Jason's on Trail 125. he's having fun too. But if you like what we do, please give us the thumbs up. The thumbs up really helps out a lot on the algorithm. And if you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, that would be very appreciated. And at the same time, well, subscribe to the platform if you're looking at this on other social media platforms. This would be very, very appreciated again. Thanks a lot for being with us today. I'm Mark. On that bike is Jason. And we're the Motor Guys. And thanks for being with us. I'm going riding.